Are you worried that your child won't achieve their full potential? You know they have what it takes to excel in their exams, but with the pressures of extracurricular activities, expansive school curricula and exam stress, are you certain they can do it on their own? Thankfully, they don't have to. Excel in Key Subjects is dedicated to helping children succeed in their A-level, GCSE and KS3 exams. How? With small group private tuition at our Saturday schools, which run throughout the academic year, our intensive revision courses held during the holidays, and our online course Excel iLearn, available year-round. At our 4 study centres across London, in Euston, Holland Park, Greenwich and Croydon, we provide effective teaching in a range of subjects, including maths, English, chemistry, physics, biology, economics and psychology. Your child will get the attention they need with average class sizes of just 5 students and never more than 9. Our teaching not only focuses on key topics within a subject, but is tailored to the different exam boards and addresses common mistakes when tackling exam questions. By identifying your child's specific strengths and weaknesses and reinforcing knowledge and good practice, you won't just see your child's grades improve, but their self-confidence in their studies too. We're certain that our fully qualified and highly experienced teachers can help your child succeed, so much so that we even offer a grade guarantee. If your child doesn't achieve the subject grade we predict for them, after studying with us for an agreed upon period of time, we'll give you a refund. Our results speak for themselves. 95% of our students achieve A to C grades, and on average our students improve by 2 grade points. Give your child the best possible chance to excel. Choose Excel in Key Studies for teaching that guarantees results. Call us now on 020 7112 4832 to book your child a place or find out more. Give your child the best possible chance to excel. Choose Excel in Key Subjects for teaching that guarantees results. Call us now on 020 7112 4832 to book your child a place or find out more.